Good morning, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are gonna work on the chicken bird house, and we are gonna add the roof framing. Today is gonna go the roof framing up and also the window framing, and we're gonna try out the windows and see how they fit and everything else. But yeah, it's gonna go the roof framing first, so we're gonna get started with that. Wow. Pretty cool. Yes, you're gonna live here. This is your house. Peppa, you gonna live here? Come, live here. It's nice, Peppa. It's nice. He likes it. He likes it. Peppa, you're so beautiful and big. Peppa. Hey, big Peppa. It's like, it was not that big of a jump when I went up. Come, Peppa. Good job, Peppa. This is floor to ceiling windows.
So we have a few days later because we had so much rain, and as you can see, most of the leaves are gone. But yeah, we need to push hard to get this project done. But now we're gonna get to the windows. We have brought 3 windows, wood windows, that we actually wanted to put in our mudroom. But yeah, we decided we have other windows for this project. So these ones we got for €2. I think it was €1 each because he gave us a better price. They are not proper windows. They don't have the frame. They're supposed to be openable. But yeah, he only had the windows. David was thinking to put them like this here in the front. This is going to be the pew side, so they're going to go a bit higher. But I am thinking we have some square windows that I might want to put inside here. One on this side and one on the other side. So this side is going to have one long one and one small one. And the other side the same, because we have 2 of those and 2 of the square windows. So we have to see where they are. And yeah, they're missing glass, I'm pretty sure, because we gave up to that project because it was too hard to make glass. So hopefully this time it's going to turn a bit better. So let's go to the barn and see if we still have those windows somewhere.
So these are the windows we originally had for the small chicken house. And you see that we did one of the glass, but they need to be double glassed. And this one has no glass in it at all. So we are gonna try now to cut the glass. We're gonna do one glass, one plexiglass, just to save ourselves some time. And yeah, if we don't succeed, we can always just go and get glass cut by size. But we're just gonna try to cut one. We want one to be at least glass and the other one plexiglass. We have to silicone them as well, just to be more sealed. But let's get the glass in, and hopefully that's gonna be easy enough. We are gonna watch a tutorial just to get it correctly, because I think we were knocking from the wrong side. That's why it got it to crack. You have to knock it from a specific side. I'm just gonna check which side that was.
Whoa.
One slight problem.
It's just the one piece though. Like until here, kind of.
Will that bother it, you think?
I don't know. Okay. Just need one glass. Stop.
What? Crap.
Yeah.
I think it likes to be in the middle.
Like to be also like a big piece. I think a small piece. Whoa, no, did we do it? Did we do it?
Should I try to hammer that or see if it...
I think it's okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, again, same thing. Okay. I could never be a glass cutter.
No.
Try first if it fits and then...
If that breaks it, that'll be bad.
Yeah.
So we have done 2 glass. One of them cracked a bit, but did not break fully. So it is still okay. And it's double glazed, so if one breaks, the other one's still protecting it. And if it breaks, we're just gonna replace it. But for pupas, because they like to bite and sometimes run into their windows, we're gonna put a plexiglass just to be a bit more safe that it doesn't break, because these are not meant to, you know, break so easily. And if they do break, they don't break into pieces. They, you know, just leave a crack open, and it's always double glazed. Anyways, we're gonna put like a plexiglass, just easier. It wasn't that bad cutting it. Once you watch a good tutorial, you can really follow it, and kind of works. But also this glass is very old. It is not perfect, so it might be just defect in the pouring as well of the glass. So that might be also causing the problems of it not cracking perfectly. Maybe new glass works better, but it worked. So yeah, let's make this last one from plexiglass. we have finished both windows, but as you saw when we tried to put in the last glass, it actually broke in the spot that it was cracked. Kind of not surprising. So we had one more glass left to cut. We're kind of out of glass. That was our last glass. We have to look for free glass because there's a lot of times giving away free glass. Really useful for a project. And yeah, it worked out. It perfectly snapped both ways really well. And it's hard to do small lines. That's the hardest thing. If you do two big planes, they'll usually snap perfectly. If you're doing a small line, very hard. So yeah, I have mastered glass, so if you need windows glass cut, you know, contact me, and probably I don't have time. But yeah, as you see, these windows also open, so they're getting really luxury, double glazed glass.
Wood windows? Wood
windows, probably oak, I can't really say, but you know, probably really expensive, you know. They're ordering and we are giving, so yeah. But yeah, these are ready to go in. Let's go make the frames for these windows and some other windows. Wanted to show you how it's gonna look with the other windows, but then we realized we need to bring them there and then bring them back, and it's 4 windows and they're not light and easy to carry, so it's easier just to leave them here and do them frames and then bring them. So that's gonna be in the next video. You're gonna see exactly where they go and they're gonna go on.
Yeah, because we have to router the frames and...
Yeah, it's not as easy. They're not gonna go plainly like this. They need frames. So,
okay,
yeah.
Let's go back then. So we ended up not bringing the windows, as David said, the reasons. So we cannot really show you where everything is gonna go, but we did plan it out, which window will go there. I mean, it's only 3 windows that need to go in each side. So pretty much every side is gonna have a window. This side has already one, and then 3 more sides. Plus we have a square window that's gonna go up there, but we're gonna turn it into a diamond kind of shape, like not straight square, but sideways. And then we have a longer piece that's gonna go on the other side on the top. We measured it, it fits. So yeah, it's a lot more work, and actually making the windows took us quite some time, but I am extremely happy that we actually made it. I mean, David made it. I was more stressed out, and I really don't like cutting glass because I don't know, it's stressful, but we made it and it turned out very, very good. So yeah, we're gonna put one here and one here, or other way around. We need to see the layout on the inside. We're not sure yet. But yeah, the day is over, and I think this video is long enough. We don't want to stretch it. I'm sorry if we're keeping you like in suspense, and every video we say we're gonna do it, but we're not doing it. But don't worry, we're gonna get it done, and you're gonna see it in the next videos. I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. Let's put those windows down because we're not doing the same mistake we did in the goat house where they just fell and broke. Evie, let's go inside. Evie? Evie?